In every country or state, there are specific areas you may find the rich gathering together. Abakaliki is not limited to this, okay? So today's vlog, we are going to places the rich live, but this will be episode 1 because this is the oldest place the rich has ever lived in Ebonyi state. But currently there are other newer places like Abakaliki GRA, My 50 GRA, and even the Centenary City low density area. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. The first street we are taking is this, which is the Obinna Ogba road, okay? And then beside it, once you drive in, aside from the quietness, by our right hand side there is a police station and they are always working.
Skimzy, the producer.
Buildings in this area are majorly duplexes, okay, and you can see it for yourself. Besides, it is only when you have money you can afford to either rent a duplex or build a duplex for yourself. This new road, okay, our right hand side is moving into a new extension. Maybe next time we'll visit that side. Have you noticed how quiet the whole area is? Like extremely quiet, as if no one is living here. But guys, people are living here very well. That's the sweetness of where the rich live. It is always noise free kind of. Closely you will see that on top of that roof there is a solar panel, and that is how almost every building in this side has solar panel. Guys, the most important thing is that some of these houses also have CCTV cameras everywhere. The good thing about Ebonyi State in general is that crime rates is low for now. On Obinna Ogba Street, it is the street that got to this side, and opposite us is Onwe Road, and that school you're seeing, or that building you're seeing, is Hope High British International School. Is also a school for the rich in Ebonyi State. Guys, the best thing you can do for yourself is to cut your coat according to your size. If you cannot afford to live in places like this, because some people rent here, please don't force it. Just make sure you can afford it before you move in, so you won't be embarrassed with rent.
Skimzy, the producer.
In order not to take the street by my left hand side, I decided to stop by and show you the street and zoom it. Okay, look at it. to know this is one of the oldest areas the rich live in Ebonyi State. There are new modern areas who will cover there very soon. Streets by our left hand side, I wouldn't want to cover it, so let me show you guys how it looks. Look at it. I don't know why my camera was dim here. If you're watching me and you're still not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate all of you. So back to Onwe Road, let's take the seat that is opposite us again. Okay, look at the next street we are taking and look at how beautiful it is. Me, I love white colors. Maybe that's why I like this house that is in this street. What do you think about the house too? Drop it in the comment section. Let's hear. Guys, what do you think about the area? Even though it's old, I feel it's still much more beautiful, safe than before. What do you think? Drop it in the comment section. Okay, let's just hear from you. And do you like the area? Let us hear. Would you like to live in this type of place? Let's hear. If you would not like to live here, please drop it in the comment section and tell us why too. Okay. Guys, there is a mountain behind and gradually houses are getting inside there too. Okay, and majorly the rich.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, look what I got in me, will go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, your mama lover. She get you dollar, she did with the sun. I am looking for a sister, your mama lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Oh, love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. That story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away.
This is up Onwe Road. I really hope you enjoy watching this vlog, and if you do, please click the like button and share, okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.
Show mama lover.
Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.